Yes, I will order the princess to marry you. Now that we're settled, Master, what is your second wish? Second wish, huh? I don't know. I mean, what would you wish for? I don't have any ideas right now. You're asking me for my wish? Well, that's an easy one. I want to be set free. Because I'm a prisoner in this land. So, I want to be set free. Well, can't you just set yourself free? I can't do that. The only thing for me to be set free is for my master to wish for it. Guess how many times that is? See? Roll. I'll set you free. Once I'm done with my other wish, then I'll set you free. Really? You do that for me? Okay, you got a deal. Now let's be for real. What is your second wish? Oh, I've seen that look before. Who's the girl? Well, there's this girl. Ain't wrong. Remember, I can't make people fall in love with you. Oh, but gee, she's smart and fun and beautiful. She's got the eyes that just and this hair, wow. And her smile, but she's a princess. And she has to marry a... Wait, hey, can you make me a prince? Whoa, be careful for what you wish for. There's a lot of gray area making me a prince. Fine, okay. Genie, ready? Genie, I wish for you to make me a prince. Okay, second official wish incoming. We're going big time. Yes, we got it.